In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize quote templates in HubSpot effectively. Having a well-tailored quote template can significantly enhance the professionalism and efficiency of your sales process, and HubSpot offers a variety of options that you can utilize to make this part of your operations seamless. First things first, you'll need to access your quote templates. Log into your HubSpot account and click on the settings icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate through objects to reach quotes. Inside the quotes section, you'll find the quote templates tab. This is your gateway to personalizing how your quotes will look and function. Once you're in, it's time to choose a template to work with. You can do this by clicking on Customize Quote Template. At this point, you'll see options for a variety of starting templates. HubSpot provides default templates, but you also have the option to use any custom templates you've previously created. This flexibility allows you to build on past work or start fresh according to your current needs. Now let's delve into editing the elements of your chosen template. You have several components you can modify, allowing you to align the quote to your brand and operational needs. Start by updating the general information, where you can change the quote template name, set an expiration date, and add any default terms or snippets that frequently come into play in your business dealings. Moving along, focus on the Modules section within the left panel. Here, you can change the content of various modules, including text, images, and headings to ensure that everything aligns with your message and visual brand identity. The line items table is another crucial part of your quote, where you can tailor the columns displayed. Decide on the order of these columns and choose whether to include subtotals, fees, and overall totals. All of these are integral to presenting a clear and concise financial breakdown to your clients. Additionally, take a moment to adjust the theme settings. This involves the overall appearance, including fonts, text colors, and background images, which can be set across all your quote templates to maintain consistency. After you're satisfied with your customizations, it's vital to save all your changes. This step ensures that everything you've adjusted will be applied when the template is used in the future. Now that your template is ready, you can easily select it when creating a new quote. This streamlines your quoting process and ensures that each document adheres to the standards you've set. I also have a few closing tips. When considering personalization, keep in mind that personalization tokens are fixed at publishing and won't update dynamically as associated properties change. For your line items table, feel free to adjust columns like billing frequency, unit price, and quantity to match your norms. Utilize HubSpot snippets to preload commonly used text, thus optimizing your time further. Finally, for those on Sales Hub Professional and Enterprise plans, deeper customization through editing code templates is available, offering even more flexibility for your specific requirements. Happy customizing!